Just hold her.
Nicholas, are you holding Chloe?
Okay. Tip it up like this. Tip it up high. Hold it from the bottom, okay? Oops. Hold it from the bottom here.
It's messy.
It is messy.
What's in there? Look.
You're doing a good job. Hold it up. Hold it up, up, up. Hold it up higher. Hold the bottle up higher, Nicholas. There you go.
I didn't see it.
You're doing a good job.
I didn't see it.
Yeah, after you finish giving her the bottle. Is it fun to hold her? Hold the bottle up. Up, up, up. Whoops. Hold it up, up, up.
That's what it's doing it. That's what it's doing it.
What one's doing it? Nicholas, is it fun to give Chloe her bottle? Good posing for the camera. Is this your first time holding Chloe? And it's the first time giving her bottle, right? What did you say? Yeah, she's pooping.
That's a sound.
You can hear the sound?
Yeah, hold it up high, okay?
Pushing it. Hand.
There you go.
So what is it? And these
Those are socks.
socks. I have little socks.
She has little socks, yeah.
Wait, look. And just take them off. Okay. Eyes open.
Leave her eyes alone, okay? Hold on. You gotta hold this up, okay? Hold it up, Nicholas. There you go.
Oh. She like it?
I think she likes it. Hold the bottle up high, Nicholas. Up high. There you go.